welcome back guys to my channel. I hope you guys are learning something new from my channel and appreciating the videos I'm making, and hopefully these videos are also helping you in your DIY projects. So yeah, in this video I'm going to kind of replace some of the LEDs on LED light bulbs. But here some of the stuff I kind of put some stuff together for this video and also for my little project I will be working on. But yeah, let me kind of remove all that stuff and I'll share some information with you. Okay, so to do the repair, okay, the couple of things, I had to order this little plate. It's called hot plate. I ordered from China on AliExpress. I believe I paid for like $5 or $6. It was a very cheap plate. The prices goes based on the size. The bigger the plate, the more the money. So this is not the biggest one, but it's also not the smallest one, which I kind of did the math. I'm like, hey, this is big enough for me to, change the LEDs on these light bulb. So I'm going to show you the whole process. And again, this is my first time. Here you can see I did not even remove this tape. This is my first time doing it. So I wanted to do it like, kind of like live, or at least a real time with you guys. So yeah, looks like let's remove this tape. Oh, there's a little scratch, but that's okay. But yeah, I ordered this from China for like $6-7. I thought this is, pretty cheap. Mostly these light bulbs, I've been using LEDs for years. I'm sure you guys are, using it for a long time as well. Now, normally in these light bulbs, there are two parts. I think this would maybe help you. Let me get this. Okay, this would kind of help you. Okay, so this is like your Philip light bulb. And also I do want to mention, you might think, hey, it's just like $1, $2 light bulb. What's a saving of fixing these light bulb? And I thought about the same. Now think in this way, the two different things. In your house, I don't know, your house condition, but I have, I don't know, like 50, almost 40, 50 light bulbs in my house. I have 3-bedroom house, 3 levels. I have a basement, the middle area that has my living room, bathrooms, and kitchen, dining room, and of course my 3-bedroom, 3-bath. So you can imagine how many light bulbs I have. Every week or every month or so, 1 or 2 light bulbs are going bad here and there. Yes, the light bulbs are only $1 or $2, $3. Now when it comes to the smart bulb, right? Think about the smart bulb. If you buy the Amazon Alexa based smart or Bluetooth bulbs, they're like almost $10, $15 each. And most of the time, just simply one LED or 2 LEDs goes bad in these bulbs. Basically, the whole bulb goes down. Now, if you have the tools, right tools, you can simply replace the LED and give this bulb like a new life, and maybe buy these LED from China somewhere. I have not done it yet, ordering from China, but I'm really positive you can buy from China. My plan is to use like one of the light bulb to take the LEDs out and use those LED in the other one, because only 1 or 2 goes bad. So that's my plan. We'll see. I don't know how successful I will be using this plate, but that's what my plan is, to do it with you guys so you can see exactly how to change the LEDs. And I'm going to show you the process, how to kind of diagnose the bad light bulb and how you go forward with this. So anyway, so this is the bulb. I have a lot of them, Philips light bulb. So very first thing is you have to again hold the bulb tightly and try to like bend it. If it doesn't open, you can use like a credit card or something. Don't use like a heavy screwdriver, because that can really bend the plastic or maybe crack it. So try to be kind of gentle. So I normally use like a plastic credit card, any bad credit card that you don't use, or maybe it was canceled or replaced or whatever. So I use like a credit card or guitar sticks, but something like plastic and not too too hard. So you put in there, try to twist a little bit and try to break the seal, and finally you just bend it and it just comes out. Okay, now when you look at the light bulb, there are 2 parts. One is the transformer part. This actual housing inside is a big transformer that converts from AC 120 volt to DC voltage. And that DC voltage is basically uses, this LED uses the DC volt to convert and then lit up. So the very first thing is, when the light bulb goes bad, you have to use a multimeter and check on these 2 prongs to see if you have any voltage. If you do, that means transformer part is good, because if this puppy is bad, I would literally take this LED housing out, throw this in trash, because opening this is like a nightmare. I have tried it, because you have to remove all these pins and it's just not worth it, in my opinion. In past, I never did the LED replacement, but I used to simply keep all these parts. So I used to either replace the entire transformer part, or I used to replace just the LED. Basically, if I have two, you can see here clearly there is no LED, because I figured, hey, this has current, so the transformer is working, but LEDs were bad. So I threw the LEDs in trash and just kept the lower part. So that's how I've been keep doing. But now I decided, why don't I fix the LEDs? So maybe it's just more fun. So anyway, I'm gonna give you a demo how you test this puppy. So yeah, I have this little adapter, you can say. So it's the regular 120 volt adapter, plug, and this is your E26 light bulb holder. So yeah, let's just plug this puppy in there. Simple. All right, see, I plugged it in. It's not lighting up at all. Now it's getting the AC from here. It's doing DC volt, which is your direct current. Okay, so direct current means there is no current, like it's not going to give you a shock, because it's DC volt. See, I'm touching right there with my bare hand and I'm not getting shock because it's DC. So keep that in mind. It's, again, nobody gonna die if you touch it. So okay, here is my multimeter. I'm gonna touch this puppy. Hopefully you can see it. I'm gonna touch these two prong on here. Okay, look at that. Do you see it? 151 volt DC. Look at that. That verifies right here that you're getting the power from transformer. Transformer is working. It's converting AC to DC. So yeah, it's working here. Okay. Now, based on my research and all the repair thing I was doing before, just to figure out how the LEDs are bad. So especially in this light bulb, there are two different sections: the upper section and the lower section. Okay. Now, if one LED goes bad in upper section, the whole section, so how many LEDs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total of 8 LEDs up this side and 8 here. So total of what? 16 LEDs, okay? If one LED go back here, the entire 8 LEDs will go down. Same on this side. If one LED goes bad, everything goes down. So that means a total of 2 LEDs, which is bad here, which bring all 16 down. So in other words, let's say you're using this light bulb, right? If one LED goes bad, 8 went down, but this section will be still lit up. It won't be as bright as original as a new bulb, but it will be still working. Or sometime you may notice the flickering. Flickering means half side is working, but there's one light bulb, one bad LED is bad on the other side, which is making half side flicker and one side is lit up. So it's lit up, but it's also flicker on the same time, if that makes sense. So in this one, we know at this point, we have a current, our transformer is working, but somehow there is a problem in the LED. So now I have this tweezer with a very tiny, thin, pointy tweezer. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically touch the terminal on these LEDs. See, the terminals are here and here. I'm gonna touch it like this. Look at that, there's some movement. It's happening, something is happening. Let's do here. Nothing happens. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna try to short that LED to figure out which one is a bad LED here. That's what I'm trying to do. Do here, nope. But I can see a little black spot on here. I don't know if you can see it, but check here carefully. There's a LED that has a little black spot, so I'm positive this is a bad one. So I'm gonna touch the points here. Let's see. Still nothing. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It took me a while to touch it, but look at that. See it? Now it's very bright because there's supposed to be 8 bulb, but now only 7 lit up. So again, once again, look at that. So we know right now, so I was right. This tiny black spot I'm looking at. Oh, look at that. When I'm touching this black spot, oh, look at that. when I'm touching this black spot, it's actually trying to lit up. Strange. Okay, whatever. We know it's bad. We know this LED is bad. Okay, now this side. Okay, looking here, I can see this has a black spot. I mean, hopefully you can see it. Now let me show this one, and look at that. Got it? So we know now we have 1 and 2 bad LEDs. So if I replace these 2 bad LEDs, this light bulb will be fully working. So yeah, that's the plan, guys, and that is why when I did this research, I went ahead and ordered this plate from China. It took about, I don't know, 1 month or so for me to get it. And I'm gonna use this plate again. This is my first time using it, so I want to kind of use it with you guys and try to replace the LEDs and see how well it works. I don't know how well it works, so let me yeah, so let's do this puppy going. Let this repair going. So yeah, I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna put this bulb on this side, and again, we know the bad one is this one and this one. Okay, now I'm gonna find a different light bulb that's similar, and I can maybe steal some LEDs, like, you know, this one is good. So I'm gonna take some LEDs out. I guess, wait, I don't know which ones are bad here, right? That's okay, I guess I'm gonna risk it, it's fine. Okay, again, this is my first time doing it, guys, so I know it's not really kind of installed in some sort of like a housing. I'm going to use a piece of stud 2x4, and I'll maybe put these 2 little screwdriver bits so I can lift up a little bit from the ground like that, because it'll be hot plate, right? And I'm thinking to put this plate somehow here. I don't want to damage this. The problem is this little connector in the middle, because of this, it's not flat. I can't just put it in the middle, and I'm also afraid I don't want to touch this hot plate to this thing because it'll melt it. You know what, even if I cut it or something, because this goes all the way down, right? So even if I cut it, it's not gonna hurt. Maybe I can cut it. Alright guys, I think that's a good idea. So I basically cut this puppy because it kind of goes down in there. So I don't know why they have too long. But yeah, I cut this thing. Now it's more flat. And the terminals are looking good. Here you can clearly see. Yep, see my tweezer came right on. My tweezer came right on. So yeah, it's fine. I can live with that. That's a good one. Okay, now it's flat. Look at that. I can literally put it straight. Let me do the same on this one as well, and then we can swap some LEDs and see how well this thing works. All right, there we go, guys. Perfect. I just grinded it. All right, now I should be good. Again, this is the one we're gonna repair, and this is the one we're gonna steal some LED. I mean, there are some bad ones, I'm sure, and because there is a reason this is bad too. But I'm gonna maybe pick up 1 or 2 LEDs, and I'll try to go the exact same way because, you know, they're positive and negative. So let me flip it like this, okay? Okay, we're gonna flip it like this. So I'll swap as is, so that way I don't mess up with the positive and negative. So all right, guys, so let's plug this puppy. And we will see, guys, we shall see. All right, It's plugged in the power. Let's see if this thing get hot. Yeah, it's getting warm. You know what? I'm gonna start the timer as well, so we know how long it takes. But yeah, it's getting warm now. Oh yeah, it's getting hot. I just touched it and I can feel some heat. But yeah, let's see how long it takes to heat up, and we will see how nicely the LED comes out. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna keep checking if this is at the melting point. And I remember reading online, I think the solder normally require minimum of 200°F, 2 or 250°. Actually, I can see some smoke coming out. So yeah, that's a good thing. It's basically heating up. But yeah, 250° it requires. So I don't know the temperature on this one. But yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it's heating up, guys. It's pretty hot. I can feel some heat. Yeah, so it's almost 1 minute. Oh, look at that. It's already loose. Aha, look at that, guys. This one was bad. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's so loose right now. It's literally LEDs are dancing around. They're like so touchy. Okay, I think let's just do one for now, and I'm gonna test to see if it works, because it is so touchy. I literally touch it and the LEDs are literally dancing around. But yeah, how easily I was able to take this LED out, like piece of cake. That was pretty cool. But yeah, this is the bad one, guys. Hope you can see it. But yeah, this is the bad one. And looking at bottom, yeah, I mean, there are some ways you can see which one is positive, negative. I guess that little different. Okay. Oh, that's still hot. Okay. Well, I don't know. Hopefully we fixed it. I have no idea, guys. We shall see. Oh, it's still hot. Okay. And when you put it back on this thing, I mean, I plugged in, it's not a big deal. But there's a positive and negative. Now, I don't know which one is positive, which one is negative, so I'm just going to plug it in. Okay, it did not lit up. Now, I think it's the wrong way. Yeah, let's plug the other side. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. One side is working. All right, all the 8 LEDs are working. So yeah, we did it right. It's working perfect. Look at that. Okay. Wow. That works. Perfect. So yeah, now I'm gonna switch the second LED, which we know is bad, which is, let me look up carefully. I'm kind of blinded by this light. It was too bright. Okay, let's see. Yep, I think it's this one. Yep, I believe it. You know, let me double check, because I don't want to do the whole thing and replace the wrong LED. Let me just double check before I do it. Okay. Okay, wow, it's already bright. I'm gonna put my finger here. Yep, I think this is the one. Oh, yep, that's it. Look at that. Now you know why it's flicker, right? See, if one LED is bad, it's gonna flicker. So yes, so I was right. So this is the one on the corner is the bad one. All right, so this is the bad one. So I'm gonna put this puppy like that and this puppy like this. Like that. All right, let's do round 2, guys. I just plugged this puppy in. Now it's gonna start heating up. We're gonna take this one out because this is a bad one. Yeah, it's hot, so try to be very careful when you do it because this thing is hot. And I'm gonna try to be careful without touching other LEDs because they're so hot, and like basically it's literally sitting when the solder is like melted. It's literally sitting up there. So try to be very careful when you pick the LEDs. So I'm gonna maybe let it heat up for a little bit longer. Look at that, how it just came right off. And I'm gonna go here. Look at that, came right off. All right. Oops. All right, guys. This puppy here. All right. Now that's the one. It should work if I did everything right. It should just work right on. So yep, we took those 2 bad LEDs out, which is right here. Let it cool down a little bit, and I'm gonna plug this puppy, and we'll see how well it works. Yep, it's still kind of hot. All right, let's see if I can plug this in now. All right, guys, look at that. Yeah, let me put the screws now because we know it's working. Let me put the screws because it's also hot. Oops, I want to be careful here. All right, guys, it's pretty cool down now. This is the one again. We changed 2 LEDs in there, and now let me plug it in and look at that. Look at that, all LEDs are lit up, all of them. Yep, I can see all 16 are lit up. So yeah, we fixed it, guys. We've completely fixed it. And now all you have to take is the upper part. You plug this puppy in like that, and look at that. You can't even tell. We literally replaced LEDs. And again, if you think about it, these tiny 2 LEDs are literally making your entire light bulb trash. By just replacing these, I mean, look at that. We just fixed this puppy. How cool is that? So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one, and let me show you again. Look at that, we gave a brand new light. We gave a whole new life to this light bulb. So yeah, I'm gonna do one more with you guys, so I'm gonna do one more. So this is a good one. We're gonna put it here. We have extra LEDs now, right? Okay, look at this one. Just so you know, we can kind of do some practice. This is the easy one. Look at here. You clearly see the 2 light bulbs that has a big black spot. So we know clearly which one is bad, but we're still gonna verify everything that I showed you before. So very first thing I'm gonna show you is I turn on my multimeter. Oh, look at that, it already lit up. Oh, somewhere lit up a little bit. I'm gonna plug this multimeter here. Look at that, 150 volt. See it? So that verifies your transformer part is good. We have a problem in LEDs, and we can kind of see it. So I'm gonna short this one, and look at that. So yes, that's a bad one, and this other one There you go. So we know clearly that 2 LEDs bad here. I'm gonna do the exact same thing again. This one will be quicker, I guess, because we know the problem and we can clearly see it. I'm not gonna do one at a time. I'll just do both in one shot, so this video won't be too long. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the same idea. I'm gonna put one like this and one like this. There you go. All right, let's plug this hot plate. Look at that, guys. Just got this puppy. There you go. Now I'm going to lift the second one. There you go, came right off. There you go. All right. All right, we'll let it cool for a few seconds and then we will test to see. The only thing is the top one I have available LED, so I just put it, one from here and the other side. But this side I was out, so I don't know if I might have messed up with positive and negative. I don't know. So if the lower side doesn't work, we might have to flip the LED. We will see. But at least the half side should work if I did everything right. The half side should work. So yeah, let me just plug this puppy in. I don't know which one belongs to this one, but let's check if this is good. I don't know if this is good, but let's check. Yep, just make sure you don't touch these together. Yep, 147. So yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, it's quite hot. Oh yeah, it's hot. I'll give it a few more seconds. All right, look at that, guys. Oh yeah, we did it right. Look at that. In one attempt, we did it all right. Let me put this thing down. Let me put the screws in there. So yes, we fixed 2 light bulbs, guys, as you can clearly see. So but yeah, you kind of got the idea. I don't want to waste too much time of yours, but basically you kind of know the process, how I did it. All you need is this. I will definitely post a link or something in the description, so that way you know exactly where to order it. Yes, you can buy this in US on Amazon. I mean, they will be quite more expensive. I think it was like $30-40. It's called hot plate or something. But the one I ordered from China, that was really cheap, like $6 or something. So yeah, I don't think spending $40-50 is a good idea, but hey, it's up to you. I think I got a great price. It works perfect for me. But yeah, I'm gonna test it again. Look at that. We basically fixed it. All the LEDs are lit up. I'm gonna put another cover on it. Like, here is a cover, and there you go, guys. Look at that. Another light bulb. We basically give a new life to this light bulb, working, and this one. And of course, when I'm done with the video, I'm gonna do the other bulbs too. And now I have a plate. Again, as the light bulb goes bad, I'm not gonna throw it away. Keep it and fix it. So literally these tiny 4 LEDs, you're throwing 2 light bulb in trash. So yeah, I have 2 nice light bulb working now. So anyway, I'll let you guys go. I hope you learned something new from my channel. If you did, especially from this video, if you did, I would appreciate if you can subscribe my channel, so you can see more and more videos, and it also helped me motivate on my channel. So yeah, thank you for watching. We'll come up with new ideas, and hope to see you again. Thank you so much. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, guys, and have a good day.